Well, that's nice.
Yes, it is.
Nice? I'm sorry to interrupt you. You described my car as nice? I mean, of all the wonderful compliments you could have chosen, sexy, sublime, racy, sleek, awesome, lekker, stunning, or interesting, you settled on nice. Not good, not great, not stupefying, not phenomenal, merely nice. As I say, I'm sorry to interrupt your dull conversation, but I mean, a cup of tea is nice. Mrs. Warren, who works down the nursery school, she's nice. Just a thought. Leave it with you. Use it, don't use it, you know.